Whether it's dealing with a phone freeze or crash, sluggish performance, a change in ownership, or the necessity to unlock the phone, a TECNO hard reset becomes a valuable solution. Well, this article delves into the 5 workable methods to address this issue. Method 1. How to hard reset TECNO via master reset code. Dial the code using your TECNO phone's keypad. Enter 27673855 to initiate a quick TECNO Spark hard or factory reset. Use 7780 for factory formatting. This will remove all settings and files, including internal memory. Method 2. How to reset TECNO phone from its settings. In Settings, go to Backup, Factory Reset. On your TECNO phone, choose Reset Phone. Follow on-screen steps, input Google credentials if needed, or use the default TECNO password if no Google account is linked. Wait for the device to reboot. Method 3. How to reset TECNO mobile via Android recovery mode. Power off TECNO phone. Hold volume up plus power until low. Release power holding volume up. Use volume down for wipe data or factory reset. Confirm with power. Choose reboot system. Wait to restart. Method 4. How to format TECNO phone using Google Find My Device. Go to Find My Device website. Sign in with Google account. Enter username and password. Choose Erase Device. Read data erasure note. Select and click Erase. Method 5. How to factory reset TECNO securely and thoroughly. Mobican Eraser for Android, a professional tool, alleviates privacy concerns. Ideal for privacy-focused users or those preparing phones for resale. It guarantees a secure reset, making all data permanently irrecoverable. How to hard or factory reset TECNO phone with Mobican Eraser for Android. Step 1. Install the data eraser on your computer. Step 2. Select the desired security level. Step 3. Initiate the deletion process on TECNO. Step 4. Run a factory data reset on your device.